Want to add www to your domain in Hostinger? In this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure you get it done smoothly. Start by opening your browser and navigating to hostinger.com. Once on the homepage, look for the Websites option in the menu panel and click on it. You'll then see a website list where all your websites are displayed. For business listings, select the website you want to work with and click on the Dashboard. Inside the dashboard, locate the Domains section in the menu panel. From there, click on Redirects. On that page, come to Redirect to and change it to https://. Then, enter your domain with the www prefix, like www.example.com. Once you've entered the domain, click on Create to confirm the change. In the Below tab, you can check all the redirects you created already, and that's it. If you want to get a discount on Hostinger, use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.